NDC a party it was born out of lies. Me ma catch you several times say NDC for penokre omo nkanokre atro and omo di operate. Now so and the menya NDC ni ba ko a okanokre a onim nyansa. Enti ono ene the first NDC na onim nyansa me hu no e wo man Ghana we mu. Because me NDC from ni mo na na ya atro for omo nkanokre. They operate on lies. They trade on lies. Intro eyo omo symbol. So what you share NDC ni na ho atro be ye ne bonsam a mempa ho ko bia because no na we hear we share no. But today I've met one NDC man na oye honest. And no time so tina NDC TV station TV XYZ. And that's on radio station radio XYZ. I think it's a TV station rather. I cannot crab akọ say. So what share in body mbo and the Ghana are recording now. And then this na yo a NPP foundation na omu ye 2 honom no and then nam so ama ende no Ghana na kudu be ewo because obeka ya April 2024 IMF can say Ghana will end 2025 with a single digit. Omu project say either 7 or 8. Enti no enye end this na be bibi. You see, I've been telling you guys the truth. Say you guys don't like reading. That's why Ghana is ranked as the 8th country with the lowest IQ because the citizens don't like reading. IMF program na year running no. Any edibu amani say how any NDC nyash you. Tell me 3 things the NDC has put in place to make sure say the economy and the inflation not drop to be a one. None. The IMF program any year running. So we are following IMF policies. And now so the IMF already projected in April 2024 that Ghana will end 2025. Very simple. This is something simple that you need to understand. You don't need anyone to come and explain this for you. But for me not to waste your time, the NDC guy now your hand is no. I'm going to play the video, and the reason why I'm saying is honest for you to watch. Then after that, you better today again. Ha! You can same TV meeting at the promise. Me on Facebook, I promise the blogger. Me on Twitter, I promise the blogger. Me Instagram, so I promise the blogger. Has not TikTok, and so I promise the blogger. Benya videos ne, be a show honor. More videos. Ebu ame fan about YouTube no, and also benya be a show honor. Ebu so yamo go tie nsem wa NDC honest man. Of so ye a year economics. Edia tuya, edia fa no kra. Ewo NDC. E modern bo mo boy. Say yomo. And the NPP in the Forson Foundation no at the 2 say we didn't say no young bra
from 2024 up to 2025 no the foundation laid in 2024 no and now my who the 2025.
Okay,
assuming with that admitting the real scorecard of NDC will be 2026. As an economist, I will not give all the credit to us. No, me yes I've been unfair.
A foundation.
I want to
NPP
be
for
I want to be a moderate. I want to be a moderate, and in moderation, no, don't be too extreme.
Okay.
Because I be a run ongoing concern. Don't forget to say, you're too about we no. Now can't forget my costume mayhem in Ghana. But don't say there be 57% to the massa. O to him mama or the kokota.
Emfa.
87 in parliament against 183 the other quarter emfa. Let's leave it hanging. And what we are seeing today, no, the moderates will argue say a certain foundation was laid, and that foundation that was laid, no, there's a build up for 1 year because you 1 month and it's not possible. Going forward, no, the real litmus test of NDC as a government will be 2026 because 2025 for the inherited BB. And so for equity, asset plus liability. So jia memua, a ka any japadi any pejade.
Yep.
When you put the two together, it gives you equity. So the equity of a country called Ghana, no, is the total, the aggregate of your asset and your liability. Now you've run the country for 1 year. The indicators are so good, and the moderate will argue, say, look, if the indicators are good, they are. Obi na di baton here then, emawo. And you're unlocking the prospect in that baton, and now more indicators now are very positive,
especially on the growth of the economy. No,
precisely.
What World Bank for predict say by a certain percentage. 4.
Now we've done 6.3. So that means that we've done far in excess of in what the World Bank told us. And what I make sure say, in analyzing the context of the growth situation now, no, you are going to meet two group of people, the extremists and the moderate. The extremists will tell you, say, look, and this NPP are nyeshi, omo bo minor, omo the echo IMF, DDEP, into omo say minor. The moderate will say there be whatever success you are witnessing today, no, a certain foundation was called the going concern principle. However, as an economist, right, I want to say, if we really want to judge NDC as a government properly, it will be 2026. Because 2026, the benchmark of 2026 is 2025. So a new
that will be the foundation.
That will be the foundation. So the foundation of us NDC is 2025. So we are then going to analyze whether say one, His Excellency Mahama, are resetting my ye. Dr. Ato Forson, the financial prowess, and experience na colleague, no, it is really working. And in Yankopon Yard, November 2026, no, mebaha, then we will do introspection. Now you found data by data, and we will take the 2024 data, 2025 data, and look at projection for 2027.
Okay.
At that level, no, you compare you have variance analysis. You have 2024, you bring 2025, you have 2026. And to say, oh yeah, the moderate, and I will make it argument to say, NDC near share, near for 2024, near scale about 2025, near about 2026. And to say 2027, you catch you say, oh, exchange rate bet me a best $7 to $1. Then that strength of the performance no cannot be credited to the NPP. But all said and done, I can tell you, say, the resetting agenda is truly on course.
For the first time, I've seen NDC manner, or honest. Because we know, say, MPP eba abayemono, the first year, ane 2017, NDC, IMF or no more, a modern bomb boy, and they reflect in 2017. Now the MPP strength started in 2018. That is when you will see the strength of the government, you know. And until the first year of government, let's wait till the next year. In fact, in 2027, already 3 years of that is when you would know if indeed they are performing or not. So the FIMPP, you use the same analogy, the same idea, you know. The same thing, no near the bay. So this guy, our enemy respects, because he has been truthful in his submission to let Ghanaians understand. Say any NDC party no, and I be name no, a modern boy NPP abai no a bottle. Any IMF say you did so, and I'm able to be away because IMF Nakasa project say Yami Aduma this year never ended with a single decade of 8 or 7. So Ato has not done anything. In fact, Ato Forson ebe twantro crampo ewa budget to be redeem concerning a revenue yenyawo ECG compared to last year and this year, and he has been exposed by a year this month. Just have video Nibra.
I was like a mad yet, and so me dying to win na Aden. Dr. Ato Forson ebe my 2026 budget obetre sika yebenya ene de ereba ye no 2026 all kasa no ene o kire mu se eye ECG for 2024 ye ka mu sika omunya nyina bom ne echa mudumienu a na kire se bosumi bia omunya 900 million Ghana cedis.
The Electricity Company of Ghana revenues has risen almost 90% from 900 million to 1.7 billion Ghana cedis per month.
And when I'm called online, I'm called checking ECG for almost 2024 annual financial statement. I'm called checking the whole year in omunya 19.03 billion cedis. Ucha mudumi enua. Na tesa busumi bi omunya 1.58 billion cedis. Maybe say Dr. Ato Forson say 1.58 billion cedis no. And then so teba 900 million. Ye di kind no. Ye tosumi enu. What the total 2023 wonsika wenya ya ho a next 2024 no wonsika no ko so ohamu enchichemu aduonu ene echere ponsia 20.6%. What they afi dia toto eye 2024 dia ho a akosoro ohamu chichemu eye ensia ne echere pongwatwe 6.8%. Every say Dr. Atosi busumi bia omenya 1.7 billion. Now what the total 1.58 billion no ho. That's a cost 6.8% per 80 Dr. Ato 190% na no correct. And 900 million now was 2024 no million and no correct. Dr. Ato udini a doctor mesrao and fan tro and bata homa honte why doctor allegedly no what in tro free say evidence online and chure say the whole can no correct. It mesrao come back.
Enti Ato Forson ankasa no finance minister no kra no on kind of correct. He doesn't even know what he's talking about. He's just quoting figures and misleading the people of the Republic of Ghana. As a finance minister, you shouldn't be on a national television and that being put on the floor of Parliament, on the floor of the highest house, and lie to the people of the country that last year the revenue of the ECG per month was 700 million Ghana cedis, and you guys have tripled it to 1.8 or 1.7 billion. Whilst in 2024 every month ECG was making between 1.5 to 1.7 billion Ghana cedis revenue every month. But Ato Forson, the master of lies, the propaganda master, the creator of deception, just to deceive the people. They said, yeah, but you are not doing anything. Let's be truthful and honest to ourselves. NDC is not a political party or something Ghana because they are full of lies. Video I'm walking here. Let me tell you how the brain of the NDC they operate. I don't know no person or no. Obetwa no ba bayi aba catch us we mum ne ba bayi o oboa ono NDC na no ba bayi. Mo wa adwen wo form. Amakwen ne na adwen wo form. He is slow-minded person. I wonder how onya the doctorate we ne kita no. Onya free because wa ba betra honom in a video saying that say whilst you know that that's not the truth, just misleading people. Now the bit chomu inamuka one by one. Kai, it is possible.